The air feels heavy, the sky turns gray, and then, boom! Snow and ice take over, shutting down entire cities. But what actually causes a winter storm to explode into chaos? Some storms creep in slowly, while others strike out of nowhere. Freezing winds whip through the streets, and temperatures drop in an instant. Meteorologists track pressure changes, moisture, and air currents to predict these icy beasts. But why do some storms stay mild while others turn into blizzards, trapping people indoors for days? It all comes down to cold air meeting warm, moist air, a battle in the sky. When they clash, powerful storms form, dumping snow, ice, and freezing rain. The bigger the temperature contrast, the stronger the storm.